In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a Gua Sha tool properly and also go over some of the benefits of why you should be using one and what it's going to do to change your skin for the better. Let's get started. For today's video, I'm using a Gua Sha from the cute company Sachu. Look at this adorable packaging. And this is the stainless steel Gua Sha. So this is the Gua Sha tool itself. And as you can see, this is cold to the touch. So that is going to be so great for depuffing and moving all of the lymph and the toxins out of your skin and really massaging and getting everything moving. Now with a tool like this, you do need to have some type of vehicle to make this glide over the skin. And Sachu actually has a specific Gua Sha serum. And I was looking at the ingredients and really it's more of just like a massage oil. So this isn't a serum that you would wear. It's a super cute bottle. Look how that matches. This is so cute. So really the purpose of this serum is just for the movability so that you can glide and slide the tool across your face because you don't want to go into using a Gua Sha against your dry skin. It's not going to be comfortable and it's not going to be good for your skin. So the recommended use with your Gua Sha is 3 to 5 little drops of this on your skin. And as you can see, it's just very clear. You can see the consistency of this, which is perfect for you to be able to use this and go ahead and just glide the product over your face. I personally use a serum that will benefit the skin as well because I can leave it on after I've done the massage. So I'm going to show you what products I'm going to use with the tool. You would want to do this like any massage after you've cleansed your face. So I'm going to start by using a toner after I've cleansed my face, and I'm just going to tone where I'm going to be using the tool. After the toner, I'm going to go in with the Mint Pear Collagen Serum. This is my absolute favorite serum for so many reasons, but this collagen is responsible for plumping the skin and giving you that youthful, beautiful glow. And this is a clinically proven serum. So what you do is you will just take a few pumps of this serum, and this is going to go over your entire face, and you'll just glide this on. I will be sure to link all of the products I'm using today below. So taking the Gua Sha, you want to start from the center of your face and repeat this back. This is going to help with the define of your jawline, but you also want to continue that down. And really you want to keep repeating this motion because you're working on the flow of the lymph and drainage. So you want to think about this as a constant motion of moving that fluid that just doesn't move itself. The toxins need a little bit of assistance. And after you do the Gua Sha, you want to make sure that you are drinking a lot of fluid, just like any massage. And I have seen techniques where it's a little bit faster and it's kind of in this motion. So as you can see, I'm kind of going up and then back. So you go up and down. And you can just repeat that motion, like even on my cheekbone, I can use this here. It's a firm motion, but I'm not uncomfortable. I'm not like jamming that into my face. But I am firmly moving the toxins, and you can see I'm going down, draining, and going back. And then you want to go down. Really get those toxins moving. You will obviously see a little bit of redness. You start from the center, so you go up, and then over. And you can go over your brows with that little divot as well. I want to be very careful with the eye area and the skin around the eye. Gua Sha refers to the ancient technique of massaging the face in the scraping motion. This effective facial treatment helps release muscle tension and increases stimulation to reduce the look of puffiness and dull, tired skin. With regular use, Gua Sha promotes a smooth, radiant, contoured complexion. Now, how to use your Gua Sha? Use with a facial oil or serum that provides a lot of slip, like the Sachu Slick Skin Gua Sha Serum. Start from the center of your face and scrape outwards using firm pressure. Use the small divot on the nose bridge between the brows and jawline, and use the larger edges on cheeks and forehead. Use 3 times a week or as often as desired. When you're finished, this cute one comes with a little velvet case. I recommend keeping this somewhere where you see it so that you do this 3 times a week and you will really see results with this. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, but if you do have any questions, please leave your comments below. I'm always here to help. If you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so that you will see all my new tutorials as they are released, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.